50-meter high 4K floaty over smart glass. You can just walk on the smart glass. Sitting, running, jumping is not allowed. Only if you want to sit, you can sit on your knee for the photos and videos. At the top, you can view old Dubai on your left hand, new Dubai on your right hand, exit on the opposite side. Welcome, enjoy your day.
मैं तो कभी भी नहीं जाऊँगा, वो चांस नहीं है, नो चांस है मैं गोइंग देयर।
गाइस मैंने आप लोगों को 20 टिप्स दिए इस 3 सेगमेंट ऑफ वीडियोस में which will help you save money, understand what to do, what not to do and understand how to enjoy Dubai frame, है ना। जो हमारी सबसे बढ़िया टिप है which is the tip number 20 which is our pro mega ultra max tip. It is a hidden tip that nobody will tell you. People walk out of Dubai frame and forget to do this. If you miss this, you are missing out a whole opportunity of lifetime. लोग बार बार दुबई फ्रेम तो आते नहीं हैं, and that if you're coming here for the first time and probably the last time, you should not skip doing this. Stay tuned, वीडियो देखते रहिए, एंड में मैं रिवील करूंगा वो टिप क्या है।
एक बार फिर से शुरू कर। वाह, इन्होंने रिकॉर्ड किया है।
हाँ, ऐसे ही डे नाइट व्यू और पूरा ऐसे दिखता है।
ये टाइम लैप्स है।
ये डे नाइट व्यू है।
और क्या क्या है? ओ वाह, इंग्लिश करो ना।
जो हमारी सबसे बढ़िया टिप है, विच इज द टिप नंबर 20, which is our pro mega ultra max tip. It is a hidden tip that nobody will tell you. People walk out of Dubai frame and forget to do this. If you miss this, you are missing out a whole opportunity of lifetime. लोग बार बार दुबई फ्रेम तो आते नहीं हैं, and that if you're coming here for the first time and probably the last time, you should not skip doing this. Stay tuned, वीडियो देखते रहिए, एंड में मैं रिवील करूंगा वो टिप क्या
You want to
है।
record, you should record. Okay. We have a good view now. Hopefully.
कर ही रहे हैं वो सब यूज करने वाले
There you go.
This was one of the most spectacular places in Dubai frame, where I saw use of lighting and conditions so marvelous. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता. They're talking about future here. They're talking about future in terms of technology, in terms of healthcare, in terms of architecture, and you must visit this place. Do not walk away from here. There is some amazing light shows that happen here. Here they're trying to talk about automation, how they will use automation in future in houses. In the next segment, they will go on to talk about this particular segment. They will talk about technology and healthcare, where they're using artificial limbs and prostheses to help children disabled, particularly in this video, disabled children, and make them more empowered and enabled. As soon as you exit from here, you will reach down to level 1 and eventually ground floor. Level 1, there will be a person who will be showing you all the photos that he have clicked from on arrival. So I did not put the video on arrival. As you enter, after you show the tickets, they will take a photo of you. They take a photo of everyone who goes up using the escalator. They will charge you for the photos. Clicking is free, of course, but if you want it framed and if you want it printed, there will be a charge for it. Same charges apply, 100, 150, 135 dirham, something like that. As you exit from level 1, as you enter ground floor, you will find a souvenir shop. Don't buy souvenirs from there, they're very expensive. You will get cheaper souvenirs from a day-to-day shop or $1 to $10 or $1 to 10 dirham shop. It's much cheaper over there. The price of the souvenir I've compared is actually double the cost of what you would find over there. It's completely up to you. If you have the budget for it, you can go for it.
Oh, we meet again. Where are you from, sir? Ireland. Oh, beautiful place. Yeah.
Not cooler.
Definitely not cooler. I am from Goa. Goa, India.
So you're used to the heat. Warm there?
Coastal. Not like this crazy. This is desert crazy.
Very humid the last few days here.
It was crazy yesterday. See, I'm from a place which normally goes up to 34 to 38 degrees. And it's a coastal region.
Yeah, so you get it.
So I'm used to it. But this is desert heat. This is something that I've never experienced before.
It tires you out.
Tires you out. And then what happens is, you will not be in the heat for long. It's only during transit.
Yes.
And then when you enter a building, it's blast chilling cold.
It's cold. Yeah, you actually get a chill.
You get a chill, and that's how you fall ill.
Yeah, it's cool.
And being COVID, it's crazy.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, sir. And that rounds off the Dubai tour.
नियर द एंट्री गेट उससे पहले ही आपको वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट मिलेगा जहाँ पे आप उतर के फोटो खींच सकते हैं, विच इज जस्ट डायरेक्टली इन फ्रंट ऑफ दुबई फ्रेम. This is my 20th and the final tip, which is our Pro Mega Ultra Max tip. Do not miss out this point to take a photo or a selfie where you can fit yourself in the biggest picture or the biggest frame of the world. Tag us with the hashtag explorewithtowno and that with hashtag BlueBeardTraveller so that we know that you found this selfie point place. Have a great trip, have a safe trip, and subscribe, like and share if you liked our video.